The Committee to Stop Children's Murders sign is still up on MLK Drive, but its doors are locked and the phones are disconnected. But at the Georgia Consumer Affairs Office, the investigation into the committee's finances is still continuing. Officials had hoped the annual report, due today, would help clear up some of their questions. But the report was not filed.
Well, without some very good excuses for it not being here, we will have no real choice but to conclude that they are in violation of the law. They're intentionally violating that particular provision of the code, and we probably would begin to reopen all of the original questions and accumulate all of those original charges and combine it into one big case to decide whether we could go civilly against the old committee or whether we ought to encourage criminal prosecution.
The lawyer for the Stop Committee is out of town today. Reached late this afternoon, he told me there will be no filing of an annual report. He said the law does not require such a filing for a non-existent corporation, and moreover said there are no penalties for failure to file. Ryles called those statements silly.
Dissolution of the corporation does not mean absolution of guilt.
So they still need to file that report even
They
under the
still
new
need to file the
corporation.
report. They surely do.
Ryles investigators have sent a letter to the Stop Committee detailing specific concerns about financial records. Today, the committee's lawyer told me he was in possession of some of the committee books, but the accounting firm had the rest. The accounting firm told me it no longer handled the committee account. Ryles says he will give the committee a reasonable amount of time to file their report, and added that a committee supposedly trying to rebuild credibility was only resurrecting financial doubts. Hank Philippi, Action News.